Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be going over what food to bring while backpacking. Now this is very important since you'll be burning a lot of calories each day as you hike your miles. You also want to bring things that taste good and that you actually enjoy eating. Additionally, you don't want to pack food that is extremely heavy, and for this reason it's important to focus on caloric density. I'm going to walk through what I like to bring backpacking. For breakfast, I will eat either a Cliff Bar or a Lara Bar. The Cliff Bars have about 260 calories, whereas the Lara Bars have about 200 calories. Personally, I prefer Lara Bars. I like the flavors that they offer. Usually it's just cashews and dates. And also they're a bit smaller, so they're a bit denser in calories. I also like to eat a bit of fruit in the morning. So what I do is I pack these Go-Go Squeezes. They're these fruit pouches that have applesauce. It's really nice because you don't have to bring a spoon. You don't make any kind of mess, and it's basically fresh fruit. It's as good as it gets without having fresh fruit on the trail. And then throughout the day, I'll usually have some different things to snack on, like trail mix or beef jerky or any other things like that that are just nice things to snack on throughout the day and offer some sustenance. For lunch, I like to use these Starkist tuna packets or chicken packets. They're really convenient because you don't have to heat anything up. You can eat them right out of the pouch, and they have a lot of different flavors. And it's nice to be able to mix it up with either chicken or tuna. I also sometimes put the tuna or chicken in a tortilla to make a wrap, which is really good. So at the end of the day, once I've hiked my miles, that's when I set up camp and I make myself dinner. Now, this is when I actually eat a hot meal, just because I don't want to take the time to have to set everything up and cook while I'm in the middle of hiking. And in the morning, I just want to pack up and go. But at the end of the day, it feels really nice to have a warm meal. REI has a lot of different really great freeze-dried dinners, and they're super easy because all you have to do is boil water and then pour it in the pouch. You seal it and then wait for it to cook. I really love Peak Refuel meals. I just showed a couple of my favorite ones. And then Mountain House and Backpacker Pantry also have some great options. And then to have my sweet tooth, I like to get the Honey Stinger waffles or freeze dried cookie bites, and freeze dried brownies are also great to get a bit of blood sugar back once you're hiking. And then to stay hydrated, I use liquid IV powder or Gatorade powder. It comes in these big bins, so I just separate it into small little Ziploc bags. And then sometimes I also like to have a little coffee, so I use this Alpine Start instant coffee mix. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content.